Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Today we're talking about one of the toughest, smartest, and most adaptable animals in the wild. An animal that has survived alongside humans for thousands of years and still manages to outsmart us. Yes, today's topic is the wild boar. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Deep in the forest undergrowth, something is moving. Snorting, digging. Powerful, low, and fast. It's not looking for trouble. But if it finds trouble, it's more than ready for it. This is the wild boar, one of the most successful, most misunderstood, and most resilient mammals on the planet. Today, we uncover the real story behind this powerful survivor. The wild boar is the ancestor of every domestic pig on Earth. Long before farms and barns existed, this animal was already roaming the forests, grasslands, and wetlands of Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Adult wild boars typically weigh between 50 and 90 kilograms, though larger individuals in certain regions can grow considerably heavier. Males are generally bigger than females and carry sharp, curved tusks that continue growing throughout their lives. Their bodies are built like tanks. A thick layer of bristly fur covers tough skin and dense muscle, giving them protection against thorns, cold weather, and even predator attacks. Despite their heavy build, wild boars are surprisingly fast and agile, capable of short bursts of speed that can outrun most animals chasing them, including humans. One of the wild boar's most distinctive behaviors is rooting, using its strong snout to dig through soil in search of food. This single behavior has an enormous impact on the ecosystem. As wild boars dig, they turn over soil, spread seeds, and create small disturbances that allow new plants to grow. In many forests, they act as natural landscape engineers, shaping the environment simply by searching for their next meal. Wild boars are omnivores, and their diet reflects it. Roots, tubers, fruits, nuts, insects, small animals, and even carrion all make their way onto the menu. This flexibility is a huge part of why wild boars have managed to survive in such a wide range of environments across the world. Their sense of smell is extraordinary, far more powerful than their eyesight, allowing them to detect food buried well beneath the surface of the ground. Wild boars are highly social animals. Females and their young live together in groups called sounders, which can range from a handful of individuals to over 20 in food-rich areas. Adult males, on the other hand, are mostly solitary, only joining a sounder during the breeding season. Communication within a sounder relies heavily on sound and scent. Grunts, squeals, and low growls help maintain group cohesion, while scent marking communicates information about identity and territory to other boars in the area. Female wild boars are fiercely protective mothers. After a pregnancy of about 4 months, a mother builds a nest of leaves and vegetation, giving birth to a litter that can include anywhere from 4 to 6 piglets, sometimes more. Newborn piglets are born with distinctive light and dark striped fur, providing natural camouflage in dappled forest light. This striping fades as they grow older, typically disappearing within a few months. Wild boars are widely considered among the most intelligent wild mammals. Studies have shown they can solve simple problems, remember locations of food sources over long periods, and even learn to avoid traps and hunting areas after a single encounter. This intelligence, combined with their adaptability, has allowed wild boars to thrive in an incredible range of environments, from dense European forests to Asian wetlands, and even in areas where they've been introduced far outside their native range. In fact, wild boar populations have expanded so successfully in some regions that they're now considered an invasive species, causing damage to crops, competing with native wildlife, and altering ecosystems not originally adapted to their presence. This success comes with conflict. In agricultural areas, wild boars can cause significant damage to farmland in a single night, leading to ongoing tension between wildlife and local communities. In their native range, wild boars face predation from large carnivores such as wolves, tigers, and leopards, though a full-grown boar with its tusks is a formidable opponent that few predators approach carelessly. Piglets are far more vulnerable, and mother boars are known to defend their young aggressively against threats many times their size. Human activity remains the biggest factor shaping wild boar populations today. In areas where natural predators have disappeared, boar numbers can rise dramatically, leading to overpopulation and habitat strain. In other regions, hunting and habitat loss have reduced native populations significantly. Wildlife managers now work to strike a careful balance, controlling boar numbers where they've become overabundant, while protecting native populations in regions where their numbers have declined. Their story is a reminder that even one of nature's toughest survivors depends on a delicate ecological balance to thrive. The wild boar isn't glamorous. It doesn't have the grace of a big cat or the majesty of an eagle, but it is one of the most resilient, intelligent, and ecologically important animals in the wild. A species that has shaped landscapes, survived alongside humans for thousands of years, and continues to adapt in a rapidly changing world. Tough, smart, and endlessly persistent, the wild boar has earned its place as one of nature's true survivors. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about the wild boar as much as I enjoyed making this for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who loves wildlife, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments, which animal should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.